Hey guys, the Nordstrom sale is almost here and I've been shopping this sale, actually blogging about this sale for almost 10 years now. So I thought I'd share a few tips and tricks that I rely on every year to try and avoid the whole like sellout risk, shipping headaches, all that kind of good stuff. So I got 5 tips for you and here we go. Tip number 1 is shop early and shop online. You get to shop the sale on different dates depending on your Nordstrom card access level, which most of you guys know by now, but if you don't know your Nordstrom card access level, log into your account, figure that out because that determines when you can shop. And then just know that as every access level opens, the Nordstrom sale will open for them at 3 a.m. that morning, East Coast time, or midnight West Coast time. So it is definitely worth setting an alarm to get up and shopping as early as humanly possible. That is sometimes the only way you can get some of the products that are like the hot products that everybody wants. I don't get up at 3 a.m. because that is a bridge too far, but I do get up at like 5 or 6, honestly, to shop online. So yes, it's worth setting an alarm. A little tip that I've noticed just anecdotally over the years, I know Nordstrom has had some trouble. We've had readers complaining in the past where they had ordered some stuff from Nordstrom, thought they were in the clear, and then it got canceled later. That has never happened to me, and the only thing that I can think of is that I often will do expedited shipping for the sale just because I want my stuff like out of there as fast as possible. So I set my alarm, I get up crazy early, I shop online, and I use expedited shipping. Now, I don't do that if I'm just buying like one thing, but if I'm putting in a giant Nordstrom order, I expedite ship. And I rarely have problems with items getting canceled. So for whatever it's worth. Tip number 2 is an easy one, but don't forget to do it because you'll kick yourself after. But the first day you shop, choose that day to be your triple points day. If you're a Nordstrom card holder, you rack up the Nordstrom notes like crazy if you choose the triple points day to be the first day of the Nordstrom sale. And that's kind of like a nice little perk where, after you're done shopping at the Nordstrom sale, a month later, you get like a fat Nordstrom note in the mail. So that's always good. Tip number 3 came from a reader, and I thought this was genius. If you have a product from the sale that doesn't quite fit and you want to exchange it for your correct size, but your correct size is sold out, hold on to the wrong size. Once the sale is over, a few weeks later, Nordstrom will restock everything at full price, and you can take that piece in and you can exchange it without having to pay full price for the correct size. Tip number 4, use the preview period to make a plan. So Nordstrom's preview period was new last year, and they're bringing it back this year, which is super exciting. So instead of just like the little catalog teaser, they literally launched the entire sale online. It's not shoppable, but you can see everything that's in it, and that will be online starting July 6th through the 12th. I strongly suggest using the preview period to make a big plan of what you're actually going to be shopping. And Nordstrom does have a wish list function, and if you add things into your wish list on, your account at Nordstrom or whatever, it will notify you when they come back into stock. I personally didn't use it properly last year. I put everything in that darn wish list, and then it was like too overwhelming. So this year, I think what I'm going to do is just like either the ones that sold out before I could get to them and I want to get like an in-stock notification, or just like maybe like my top 5 to 10 pieces, something small. That's what I'm going to put in my wish list this year. Tip number 5, my last tip. It's a big one. Tip number 5 is just understand which items are at a bigger sellout risk than others, because not everything sells out in the sale. These are just patterns that we've noticed over the last 10 years of this sale. So number 1 is that those like high-end boutique brands, they're almost always never well stocked. So if you are at a lower cardholder access, these are going to be pieces that you might want to add into your wish list to get notified of restocks, because these don't usually make it to the end. Like Rag & Bone, La Linea, new this year to the sale is Jenny Kane, which I'm super excited about. Oh gosh, Claire V, Theory always has like some like amazing high-end coat. It will never last, but it's almost always a really good one. And then Beyond Yoga, pretty activewear sets, even ones from Zella, which is an in-house brand, pretty activewear sets. They go like that. And then as you're building your capsule wardrobes, just take note of what colors that you're looking at, because I've noticed that neutral colors of almost anything almost always go first in the sale. Taupe boots almost always sell out before black boots, although black sweaters don't last very long. But light wash jeans tend to sell faster than the dark wash stuff. So take note of, what colors you're hoping to get, because the neutral ones do tend to sell out pretty quickly. The Nordstrom in-house brands, they're usually much better stocked than the boutique brand, but there's some exceptions here. The Nordstrom Signature Cashmere line, that line almost always sells out right away. And it's some of the thickest cashmere I've ever felt in my life. So it's definitely worth trying to snap up if you can. Oh, halogen cashmere. That stuff is also very well stocked, but the neutral colors will go like that. And then the Caslon tees, there's always like a couple cute Caslon tees. Again, they're the stock is high, but like the cute striped one will go fast, or the black one or the white one. Okay, that's it. That's my 5 tips. Good luck. Follow us along at the Mom Edit. We do our best to really cull through like everything in the sale and kind of narrow it down to the pieces that we actually do think we're gonna wear, for years and years and years to come. And new this year, we're kind of excited. We have like a special newsletter that's going to be going out for people who care just about Nordstrom sale coverage. So sign up for that if you're interested. And we're also going to be doing a little texting. Not everything, but a few of our dressing room selfies will get text notifications if you care. So anyway, thanks for watching. Good luck. See ya.